Welcome to 365 Math. In this video, I'm going to teach you about surds, and in particular, we're going to look at the introduction of surds. A surd means a number left in square root form, such as root 5 or root 7. If a number inside the square root sign, which is this sign, is a square number, it should be written as an integer rather than in surd form. For example, if we have square root of 25, it should not be left as the square root of 25, rather it should be left as an integer, which is 5. So I'm going to look at the rules of surds. And rule number 1, it states that if we're multiplying root A and root B, the answer becomes the root of AB. And rule number 2 says if we're multiplying root A by root A, the answer becomes A. Rule number 3 states that if we are dividing root A over root B, our answer is going to be root A over B. So these are the 3 general rules of surds. Now in algebra, if we look at algebra, 5A means 5 times A, and surds work in a similar way. For example, if we say 5 root 3, this means that 5 times root 3. The same way in algebra, we have 3x times 4y is equal to 12xy. In surds, 3 root 7 times 4 root 5 can be rewritten as 12 root 35 as a single surd. So you can see that in algebra we said 3 times 4 and we've got 12, then x times y and we got xy. It's the same in surds. We said 3 times 4 and we got 12, then 7 times 5 we got 35. So it is similar in that way. We can rewrite our surds in this manner. Now I'm going to look at a few examples for you to understand this topic better. We have 6 questions and we're told to write each of these as a single surd or integer answer. Number 1, we have root 2 times root 7. So remember the rules of surds. Root 2 times root 7 is equal to root 2 times 7, which is root 14. And then number 2, we have root 60 divided by root 6, which is equal to, from the rules of the surds, we get it as the root of 60 over 6, which is equal to the root 10. And then number 3, we have root 45 divided by root 5. Again, remembering the rules of the surds, we have root 45 over 5. 45 divided by 5 is equal to 9. Hence, we have the square root of 9, which gives us 3. Number 4, 20 root 20 divided by 4 root 4. Remember what you do, you say 20 divided by 4 and then we say root 20 divided by 4. Now 20 divided by 4 is equal to 5, and in our square root we have 20 divided by 4 again, which is 5. Hence our answer becomes 5 root 5. And then number 5, we have root 3 to the power of 4. Now this can be rewritten as root 3 squared, and we have another bracket and a square on the outside. Now root 3 times root 3 is equal to 3, and now we have 3 squared, which is equal to 9. And lastly, number 6, we have root 7 times root 7, which is equal to, remember rule number 3 of surds, root 7 times root 7 is equal to 7. So there you have it, guys. This is how you deal with surds. I hope you learned something. Thanks for watching. Please do hit the subscribe button and I'll see you in the next video.